Steps to becoming rich as a real estate investor. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. Today we're going to be talking about the steps you need to take to become a real estate investor. To become a real estate investor, there is a couple of steps you need to take. The first one, you've got to get yourself educated. Now, there are all sorts of live education events that are a great place to receive some fabulous education, and there are many books out there, including the book I wrote called The Straight Path to Real Estate Wealth. You've really got to make the commitment to learn the numbers. What does it mean to crunch them? What does it mean to find a good deal? What does it mean to evaluate the deal? And so, make it a point to either go to a live event or get a copy of a couple of real estate books, and as you read those, it's going to get you educated. Here, knowledge really is power. The second thing you need to do is you need to put a basic team together. Now, the most bare bones basic team would include a property manager, a loan officer, and a realtor. Now, not just any of those. You're going to want to look, for example, first, for a realtor that specializes only on investment properties, okay? They need to show you a long track record in history and that they have a track record of finding really good deals and to prove that they've got really good deals. The second thing you need as an investor is a loan officer that specializes in working with investors. It's one thing to qualify for one house, it's another thing to qualify for many houses. So find a loan officer specifically that knows how to rate mortgages, that are geared towards investment, that are very different than writing a loan for a primary residence. And the third thing is property management. If you're not going to do it yourself, line up an excellent property manager that specializes in investments. Don't just pick someone random. Pick someone that has track record in history of either doing leases or doing lease options, and can show you their track record. The next step is to settle in on what your strategy is going to be. You got to have a winning game plan, okay? Like for example, my strategy is I buy single-family homes with at least a 15% equity discount off of the current value of the home. I buy that home below the cost of the median, and I might choose to buy it and do, for example, a lease option, okay? So, that's my strategy, that's my formula, those become my cardinal rules and I never deviate. If the property that I'm looking at does not match all that criteria, I don't buy it, okay? So, you've got to have your strategy in place. Now that you all have those beginning steps of getting educated, building a basic team to help you find and locate and help with doing these deals, knowing what your strategy is. The last step is most important. Go, take action. Go, make something happen. Do not find yourself where so many people do, when they get lost in this never-ending education zone, never taking action. Don't take action if you're not ready, but never let fear hold you back when the right opportunity is in front of you. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.